In this video, we'll show you how to create an AI workflow task in Print using an official workflow template. To use AI workflow, you can start from the AI image section on the dashboard. You can also open it from the left sidebar. Go to Creative, then click AI image. An AI workflow task helps you run multiple AI steps in one process, such as extracting a pattern, creating a product design, and generating AI scene images. Go to AI Workflow, then open Workflow Tasks. This is where you create and manage your workflow tasks. Click Create Task to start a new workflow task. First, select a workflow template. For beginners, we recommend starting with an official template. We'll choose this official template. It can extract a pattern from your image, apply it to a product, and generate AI product scene images. If you see a review label, it means that step needs manual approval later. Click Next Step. On this page, first confirm the selected template. If you want to change it, you can click Reselect. Next, upload your original images. These images will be used as the starting point of the workflow. Then choose the product you want to design. If this workflow includes AI scene image generation, Print will only show products that support AI scene images. If your product has color or style options, select the options you want to use for AI scene images. Here, we'll select 3.3. Before submitting, you can see the estimated token cost for this task. Click Submit to create the workflow task. Print will check whether you have enough tokens before the task starts. After submitting, you can find the task in Workflow Tasks. Progress shows how much of the workflow has been completed. Status shows the current task status, and token consumption shows the actual and estimated token usage. Once the task starts, you can open the task details to check generated results, review images if needed, and continue to the next workflow steps. This official workflow includes 5 steps. First, it extracts a pattern from the original image, then it creates a new image variation, upscales the image, generates a product design, and finally creates product images. Steps with a review label need manual approval before the workflow moves forward. In the Extract the Pattern step, Print extracts patterns from your original image, review the generated patterns and decide which ones you want to keep. For the results you want to keep, click Approve. Once approved, these images can continue to the next step in the workflow. If you don't want to keep a result, click Delete. Deleted results cannot be recovered, and they will not continue to the next workflow step. After the extracted pattern is approved, the workflow moves to the image-to-image step. This step creates new image variations based on the approved pattern. Review the new image variations and approve the images you want to use for the next step. Next, the workflow upscales the approved images. This step improves image quality before creating the product design. After the image is upscaled, Print generates product designs. Here, Original shows the image used for the design, and Generation shows the generated product design. Click a generated design to preview it. This helps you check whether the pattern looks good on the selected product. In the final step, Print generates product images based on the approved design. These images can be used to preview or showcase the final product. Approved images are saved to MySpace. You can go to MySpace later to find and reuse these generated images. When all steps are finished, the task status becomes completed. You can also check the final progress and token consumption in the task list. With this official workflow, Print turns your original image into extracted patterns, image variations, enhanced images, product designs, and final product images. That's how to use the best-selling product variation workflow in Print. Start with your original image, review each required step, approve the best results, and let the workflow generate your final product images.